Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to run Android apps on PC without using any emulator like BlueStacks or Nox. There is no lag, there is no heavy setup, just a smooth, direct way to run your favorite applications. So the easiest method is with the help of the Windows Subsystem for Android that is built directly into Windows 11. So here is how it actually works. First of all, you need to come here on Microsoft Store. Over here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for Amazon App Store. So once you are able to find the Amazon App Store application here, you just have to install it in your device. Then Windows automatically sets up the Android subsystem in the background. After the installation of the software, you will see Amazon App Store appear on your start menu. So you just have to sign in into it, and now you can download any of the games and it is going to run as the Android app natively, just like you do it in your phone. So they will open in their own windows, support the keyboard and the mouse input, and even stay pinned to your taskbar. So if the app you want is not on the Amazon App Store, you can also use the sideload APKs using the tools like WSA Toolbox. It is safe, lightweight, and doesn't require any full emulators or visual machines. If any of the applications of that you want to basically get in your device has the desktop version available, for example, for the Prime videos, you can directly download that from Microsoft Store. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.